Thanks to TikTok, we caved and bought the Ninja CREAMI. Apparently, this device can turn almost anything into ice cream. We'll have to see if that's true. Now, to unbox it and go over the key features. Don't miss the end to see our first attempt. Ninja provides plenty of classic recipes to get you started, but I have a few fun, high-protein ideas in mind, so be sure to look for those coming soon. Now, let's get this thing unboxed. This Ninja CREAMI from Costco came with 3 containers, but Amazon's version only comes with 2. Ninja sells additional containers on Amazon if you find yourself needing more. Both machines have the exact same features, and I'll have both linked in the description below. With this machine, you have 7 options to choose from: traditional ice cream, light ice cream, gelato, sorbet, smoothie bowl, milkshake, and finally mix in. There's also respin, which we'll touch on later. The 7 options control how fast and how long the blade spins, depending on the fat content and ingredients used. Now for the fun part, our first CREAMI. Today's first attempt will simply be a chocolate protein shake. The recipe can be as simple as combining your favorite protein powder and milk, or a pre-made store-bought protein shake. It really is just that easy. The hardest part is waiting 24 hours for it to freeze. Align the lid with the right side of the handle and rotate clockwise until it clicks to secure it. Turn the power on before rotating the container out. You know you did it right when all options illuminate. We're selecting light ice cream because of the low fat content. Our first spin was a little clumpy. So back in the machine for another spin. This time we'll just use the respin option. This is the moment of truth. Can it CREAMI? Dude, that looks like a Wendy's Frosty. I wonder if it'll taste like one. Oh yeah, here we go. No way, look how creamy that is. Now for the taste test. This is absolutely incredible. Where have you been all my life? The verdict is in. It can CREAMI. Be sure to follow for future recipes.